So, so when did you know?
Look, I hate that question. I was born this way. I mean, when did you know? I mean, granted, it didn't really occur to me till probably like 7th, 8th grade, when I started really exploring and getting into it. And
I mean, I dabbled in college. I think we all do.
I mean, it was the 80s, right? That's what you
Yeah,
did. You
yeah,
dabbled. But
yeah.
still, there really is truth to it. You're born this way, and there's nothing wrong with a little dabbling, a little experimentation. But
Sure. It's a spectrum.
exactly.
It's a spectrum.
There's something for everyone out there. And I think once you know your truth, you should be able to live it openly. Look, I can say Sheila Redling, SG Redling, am a proud and unapologetic pantser.
And I, Tobi Doyle, am a plotter, a hybrid. Like I do leave a little bit.
Sure, exactly. You
know,
have a
like-
free weekend and a little some funny, a little
Exactly.
experimentation, spice it up a little bit.
Yeah, but no, I'm a plotter.
What is your writing orientation?